Hello world, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can get started with attraction marketing. And if you don't know me, my passion is to help you build your influence and live the life of freedom using online marketing. So before I dive into how you can get started with attraction marketing, let me just give you a brief about what exactly is attraction marketing and how it can benefit you. So attraction marketing is a way with which you attract the right people, your target audience towards you, towards your service, towards your offer, what you are providing. And this is the right way to do marketing in 2020, rather than harassing your friends and family and posting your links and spamming your links about your offer all across social media. So how you can start with attraction marketing is by creating content around the pain points of your target audience, and that content is going to attract the right people towards you, and then you can build a relationship with them, you can understand their challenges, and then you can position yourself as a solution provider. And that solution could be your product, could be your service, whatever you are offering. So I use Facebook as my main platform to connect with my audience and where I put my content on daily basis. So let me just take you inside my computer and show you what I'm talking about. So right now I'm inside my Facebook account, and let me just show you what the kind of content which I'm talking about that is going to attract the right people. So the content could be, you can motivate someone, like this particular post I did: to achieve greatness, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. And see, it has attracted close to 50 people, 54 people have commented on it. The other kind of the content which you can put is that you can offer something to your target audience, offer something for free. Like in this case, I'm put a post that I'm going to offer my daily action plan to attract the potential buyers on Facebook. And you can see 151 people have commented on it. So all this content is around the pain points of my target audience. So my target audience are people who want to get started with online marketing, or who are already into online marketing but not getting results. So this particular action plan, daily action plan which I created, that is going to help them out on Facebook. So the other kind of content which I'm gonna show you is something this. This is my story, that how fitness has changed me. This is me before and this is me after, and I just put out my story. So one of the most important thing you need to understand while creating a content, it should tell your story. You should create a content around your story. You should craft a story about yourself. If you craft a story and if you post that content that way, that is going to attract a lot many people who are just like you. For example, there are people who want to lose weight. So by looking at this post, by going through the post, they can see that, okay, if this guy has done it, then we can also do it. And I resonate with the Saurabh, and that is what he has done. So this is again one kind of content. And there is other kind of content which I told you is the pain points of a target audience. So this particular post which I did, it is around struggling to get eyeballs to your offer. So I just mentioned the pain point of my audience, and I just listed what are the challenges and what they're doing, and I've given the solution as well, like what you can do. And you can see this has attracted 73 people on my post. These are a few examples which I wanted to show you as to how you can attract the people and how you can get started with attraction marketing. So I'm saying this again, this is the right way to do marketing in 2020, is to attract the people towards you and not going after the people with your offer. Okay, take this product, or take this phone or something like that. So don't act as a salesman, act as a solution provider. That is the secret. And if you do that consistently on daily basis, you are going to be successful. You're going to attract the right people. You're going to build relationship, and that is how you're going to succeed in promoting your service, promoting your offer. So I hope you got some value out of this video. And for all you lovely people out there, I am giving my Facebook lead generation blueprint, which you can get access by clicking on the link down below. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.